Hey guys, I just want to give a great testimony and a shout out for Pritam and his particular service. He's done an amazing job so far for me in building my business funnel. I'm a private lender and looking to build a SaaS agency for a lot of loan officers. And the thing I like about him is that he creates a lot of great funnels. I mean, the designs are just impeccable compared to other designs I've seen out there. So that was number one that I really got from him and his services, is just that those funnels are those designs are just crazy. But number two is the value added he had toward me and what I was doing with my business. And he told me, he gave me the ropes as to step one to how to start a SaaS agency and not go, swing for the fences and try to do everything yourself. He says, just do one thing at a time and follow my steps. And I've been following his steps and it's been working tremendously. So I like him because the value add he has, backed by the quality of work that he's done too as well. So big shout out to Pritam. And if you guys need, anything, any comment or any advice from me about him, feel free to reach out to me. I will definitely, vouch for him and what he's done so far. So Pritam, thank you very much. And I look forward to future business, definitely, as we grow and scale. Thank you.